These are top 10 Igbo young billionaires 2026 is finally out according to current affairs. These are top 10 Igbo young billionaires as of this January 2026. Now, number 10, according to current affairs, says that number 10 is Linus Williams, known as B-Lord, from Ebenebe, Anambra State, with net worth of 15.4 billion naira. Number 9 is Chibuzo Madubuko from Anambra State with net worth of 18 billion naira. Number 8 is Kenneth Okonkwo. Oh, this man get money. Kenneth Okonkwo that used to act a movie from Nsukka, Enugu State with net worth of 22 billion naira. 22 billion naira. Number 7, Linda Ikeji. Oh, she get money. Linda Ikeji is from Imo State, one of the top blogger. She made money through blogging with net worth of 30.4 billion naira. Number 6, Pascal Shibuike, known as Cubana Shi Priest, from Imo State with net worth of 38.1 billion naira. Number 5, John Mikel Obi. Oh, this man get money from Anambra State with net worth of 89 billion naira. 89 billion. Number 4, Uzoma Dozie. Uzoma Dozie, they did not write the state where he came from. So please help us and check the state Uzoma Dozie came from. Uzoma Dozie, with net worth of, is the number 4th richest Igbo billionaire, young billionaire, with net worth of 119 billion naira. Number 3, Joey Zaza. Jesco Oil is into oil and gas with net from Anambra State, Ekulobia in Anambra State, with net worth of 135 billion naira. Most billionaires come from Anambra. Now, number 2, Obi Kobana from Oba, Anambra State, with net worth of 140 billion naira. Now, small thing you take past Joe Zaza. Number 1, please, if you like this update, please follow my page Kizito the K Driver for more updates and share. Thank you and God bless you. Number 1 richest young billionaire in Igbo land is Emeka Okonkwo, known as E-Money from Uri in Anambra State with net worth of 290 billion naira. Hey, E-Money get money. 290 billion naira. E-Money. So these are top 10 Igbo billionaires as of this January 2026 according to current affairs. Drop your own in comment section. Thank you and God bless you.